runway 31 right, wind 310 at 17.
Okay, clear to land 31 right. With position separation Delta 304.
But the wind's 31016, runway 31 left, with takeoff.
Good to go, American 145.
American 1416, K Tower, runway 31 left, line up and wind.
31 left, line up and wait, American 1416. American 903, are we supposed to follow United up ahead?
American 903, that is affirmative.
Alright, we'll go behind United, American 903.
American 1416, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff.
31 left, clear for takeoff, American 1416.
United 512, K Tower, runway 31 left, line up and wind.
31 left, line up, wait, United 512.
American 145, you'll turn left by the breezy point, climb near departure 135.9, we'll see you later.
Nice.
1000.
903, JetBlue's are behind United now.
I'm sorry, say that again?
903, it looks JetBlue's behind United. Would you like to follow JetBlue?
I'm trying to figure out where JetBlue belongs in this whole configuration.
Okay, just the upper air behind, that's fine. After 11. Good evening, College Order 610 on 31 right.
Hello, sir, 610 Abbey, Kenny Tower, 5 miles to Shelter, wind Airbus 320, wind 310 at 19, gust 24, runway 31 right, wind left.
Here, 2 right, come to me.
500. Alright. 9512, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff.
31 left, clear for takeoff, yeah, 512.
JetBlue 11 left, K Tower, runway 31 left, line up and wait.
Runway 31 left.
An American 1416, turn left by the Archer climb near departure 135.9, we'll see you later.
Turn to Archer climb and 35 knot. Good night, sir, American 1416.
200. 100. 50, 40, 30, 20. Retard. 10. United 512, you'll turn left to fly to Breeze Point, climb near departure 135, .90, we'll see you later.